of all, I would like to show my higher respect to teacher and all of my dear friends that stay in here. A very good afternoon. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Soriya Panharoth. I am a level 7 student and this is my great honor day to respect one incredible topic that talk about Water Festival. Now let me tell you one important keywords to make it deepening to my topic. Water Festival is the New Year celebrations that make place in Southeast Asia, such as Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, and Myanmar as well. And now let's remove to the topic. Every year, Cambodia people always celebrated the Royal Water Festival, which is one of the big traditional Khmer festival. Royal Water Festival first celebrated by King Rodom in 1873. We celebrated the Water Festival for 3 days, every November and sometime to October. Today, I have one important question to ask everyone in here. Why did we celebrate the Water Festival? Of course, we celebrated the Water Festival Day to commemorating the Navy War with the neighboring Chams and the victory for the Khmer nations. Water Festival have full name in Khmer said Bon Tuk Ambok and Sampeprakai. Ambok means the offering of bananas and Ambok, and Sampeprakai means the situations to the moon. We celebrated the Ambok and Sampeprakai at night in Water Festival Day. In that day, me with my family was very happy that we can spend a lot of time together and can celebrate the Khmer traditional festival. But we never forget that when we go out, we wear masks and washing our hands with soap, alcohol, gel before touching face and eating. At night, we are unbook and looking to the moon. My grandma was telling me about all doesn't discriminations, the sex, girl or boy, and always doesn't discrimination, poor, rich, kids or old, because it's the Khmer traditional festival. And now my presentation is finished. And as I'm a Cambodian child, I would like to say that I will be determined to support and preserve national traditional forever, that Khmer is strong, Khmer is powerful, and Khmer is wonderful. Thank you, teacher and everyone that listening to my topic. And don't forget to wearing mask when you go out and washing our hand with soap, alcohol, and gel to prevent the COVID-19. Remember, don't be careless. Thank you.